we're going to install this tiny little CB radio into the Jeep real quickly. This has been in another one of my Jeeps, so it's a used unit. It's a CRT1, which are about £50, and they're dual band AM and FM. Ideal little unit because they fit in any space. The idea here is going to be to install it on the side of the transmission tunnel down there, and send the cables in through the back of the dash, up behind the panel with the ashtray in it and the heated seats, and more importantly the power outlets. And we're just going to use these janky little horrible Scotch lock fittings to connect it in to give it some power. When we come to use it, we'll just be using a mag mount. Okay, let's get it in. That's the cables through and the unit mounted. I can see it from the driver's seat. Bearing in mind this is a right-hand drive vehicle, so I'm sitting over here. Two cables, red and a black, dead simple. One goes to the live, one goes to the ground. The hot cable, or the live cable in this one, is a feed down from the back of the radio, because the two power outlets when I bought the truck didn't work. So I hot wired them into the ignition feed off the back of the radio. It's not a massive ampage feed, so it's fine for using USB chargers in, which I do, but you wouldn't want to be putting cigarette lighters in it in the old-fashioned way, because that would just trip the fuse straight out. Hopefully it'll be enough amperage to run the radio. If not, I'll just put a bigger fuse in the factory radio fuse spur outlet box. So we're gonna, red cable's gonna go into that pink one, which is my feed down from the radio, and then there's a black one there, which is an earth, which goes into the back of the power outlet. So we'll put the black one into there. Nice and simple. Connections that I've made. That's the connection into the earth, and that's the connection into the live feed. So we should be able to now turn on the ignition and turn on this radio, and there you go, powers up. So we'll pop the panel back in, neaten it all up, and we'll connect a mag mount aerial to it, see if it works. All back together, radio's mounted. I'm not going to put a mic hanger because I'm just going to put the mic there, and everything's back in. Turn the ignition on. We've got power to the 2 USB chargers and power to the radio. I've connected an aerial. I'll turn it on.
Where are you?
Yep. There we go.
Do you know Mason's Pool?
And it works.
Come in and out, darling.
People chattering away. So that works then. All ready to go. Thanks for watching. Maybe have a think about clicking subscribe, because I post loads of random little stuff like this. Promise I won't spam your inbox. Help a guy out. Thanks very much. See you next time.